Othos.
As you can see, it's like a nice gloss black color. Pretty aggressive, but pretty subtle. Should fit nice with my current setup. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. All you pretty much need is a flathead. My bumper's already hella messed up, so I don't really care about messing up my rear bumper, but you just need a flathead, and there's a bunch of pins in here. You wanna pull them out, they kinda look like this. The gloss black, there's still film on it. Alright, we got the old diffuser off. All the ones off. That took like less than 5 minutes. Here's the butt of my vehicle. Should I run it without a diffuser? Look how clean that looks. Ooh. As you can tell, all new diffuser. Looks pretty hideous, if I do say so myself. Just test fitting it right now, but with those chrome tips and the gloss black, it looks clean. Alright, that new diffuser looks clean. It's like nice and slick design. Kind of aggressive and kind of subtle, but altogether, fire. Fire! Like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Next stop, we're gonna get a new intake. We're gonna hear that supercharger whine. Deuces.